America's Great Lakes, with an abundance of coal, iron ore and lots of water, fueled an unparalleled industrial revolution. It forged some of the world's most innovative industries. The region grew the greatest labour force of the Western world to run its factories and made the fortunes of a mighty few who took astonishing risks and created America's first corporations.
They're innovative, so they begin to change the way that business is done and business practices take place, sometimes for the better, sometimes for the worse. Some of the regulations on business come because of the things that they do. They're entrepreneurial in both good and bad ways. They try new things, they take risks. They're interconnected. So you'll often find that many of these titans, they know each other, they're friends, they're rivals, sometimes they're enemies, but they're all pushing each other to do different things. And you can't get the development, the Industrial Revolution in the United States that comes from the late 19th century onwards without these companies, because they're covering everything. You know, they are the pioneers in their industries, both for good and bad.
The Rust Belt is concentrated in the formerly dominant industrial states surrounding the country's Great Lakes. They feed the states of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, Michigan, New York, and Minnesota. Without them, there would have been no industrial revolution here. In 1865, a brutal civil war had divided America. It was a nation torn by economic differences between North and South, by the question of slavery and ways of government. America had not yet become a United States. Then an industrial revolution connected east to west, north to south, first by water and then by railroad. Suddenly, like a phoenix rising from the flames, America becomes a United States.
There is this very dramatic rise and fall story which mimics, in a lot of ways, a rise and fall story that we could tell about many other things, formal empires. But there is something of an informal empire dynamic about the industrial United States and the ways that it operates through the late 19th and early 20th century.